Welcome back to day 82, Community Over Content, Building Trust Through Engagement. Guys, we're on 82 of our 90-day run, and I've got something to share with you today that might completely shift how you think about building your online presence. Are you ready for this one? Your community matters more than your content. That probably sounds backwards, right? We've all been told that content is king. We need to be perfectly polished in our videos, the best lighting, and the catchiest hooks. But here's the truth, nobody is talking about enough. Your content might get someone to stop scrolling, but your community is what makes them stay. So let me ask you something. Think about the creators that you follow most closely, the ones that you actually engage with, not just watch. Is it because every video they post is absolutely perfect? Or is it because they made you feel like that you belonged somewhere, like you're a part of something bigger than just a viewer count? That's the difference between an audience and a community. An audience watches, but a community participates, invests, and shows up again and again and again. Here's what I've learned after years of doing this. People don't join you because you posted a perfect video. Sure, a great video might introduce them to you, but what actually makes someone hit that follow button and come back after a day is the feeling of connection. It's knowing that behind the scene, there's a real person who sees them, hears them, and values their presence. And here's where it gets really interesting. Sales happen naturally when people trust you. You don't have to push. You don't have to manipulate. When someone genuinely trusts you and feels connected to your mission, buying from you comes the most natural step. But trust doesn't come from a sales pitch. Trust grows through consistent, authentic interaction. When people see you showing up, not just to broadcast, but to genuinely engage. So how do you actually build this kind of community? It starts with something simple, but powerful. So ask questions, real questions, not thinly veiled sales tactics. I'm talking about genuine human questions that show that you really care about the people on the other side of your screen. Questions that invite people into a conversation, not just a transaction. Start conversations that matter. I get it. It's easy to just post content and move on. But the magic happens in the comments and in the DMs and in the moments back and forth. When someone takes the time to comment, they're giving you their attention and time. Honor that. Engage with it. Turn that comment into a conversation. When you respond, and you respond with heart, not just the copy and paste replies or the generic thank yous. Really read what people are saying. Acknowledge their thoughts. Ask follow-up questions. This is how you transform followers into your community members. This is how you build something that lasts. Make your space a place where people feel valued, not sold to. A platform should feel like a gathering place where people come to connect with you and each other. When someone enters your space, they should feel welcomed, they should feel appreciated, and they should feel respected, not just walking into a wallet, like a valued member of something meaningful. So here's what I want you to today. Ask a meaningful question. Just one. Make it count. Ask something human, not statistically. Something that isn't designed to funnel people towards a sale. Ask something that someone will actually want to answer. Something that invites them to share a piece of themselves. Maybe it's about their biggest challenge. Maybe it's about what they're celebrating. Whatever it is, make it real. Because here's what I want you to know to be true. When people trust you, they follow you anywhere. They share your videos. They recommend you to friends. They become advocates for what you're building. And yes, they buy from you and you have something to offer, but it all starts with the trust. And the trust starts with the community. So let me leave you with this challenge. Share the question that you posted today in the comments. I want to see it. I want to engage with it. And let's build communities that matter. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, my friend. The real human connections that you make along the way. I'll see you tomorrow for day 83.